For decades, we've heard the same story. Once you pass 70, muscle loss is inevitable. Strength fades, balance disappears, energy drops, and the only thing left to do is accept it. But deep in the mountainous regions of Japan, researchers stumbled onto something that completely challenged that belief. It started quietly, with seeds. Tiny, overlooked seeds hiding biochemical properties no one expected. At first, scientists assumed it was folklore, local traditions, old stories passed down with no real proof. But when modern labs ran controlled tests, the results stunned everyone involved. In older adults, some of these seeds activated muscle protein synthesis at levels far beyond what standard foods like eggs could achieve. Not overnight miracles, but measurable biological change. Within weeks, people in their 70s and even 80s showed improvements in leg strength, stability, and daily energy that hadn't been seen in years. So today, we're breaking down 6 powerful seeds that research suggests may help support muscle health after 70 naturally. Stay until the end, because the final one works in a way no other protein source does. And before we start, ask yourself this. If you could wake up tomorrow feeling steadier, stronger, and more capable than you have in years, wouldn't you at least want to understand how? Let's begin. Number 6, sunflower seeds, the foundation. Most people think of sunflower seeds as a casual snack, but nutritionally, they are far more serious than that. Sunflower seeds contain a complete amino acid profile, and are especially rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. As we age, oxidative stress accelerates muscle breakdown. Vitamin E helps protect muscle cells from this damage, supporting their ability to repair and grow. They are also high in arginine, an amino acid shown to improve blood flow to muscle tissue, meaning nutrients actually reach the place where rebuilding happens. Best way to use them? Soaking overnight reduces compounds that block mineral absorption, making their protein easier to use. Pairing them with vitamin C-rich foods may further support connective tissue health. Sunflower seeds don't rebuild muscle on their own, but they prepare the environment. Number 5, sesame seeds, hormonal support matters. Sesame seeds are small, but biologically potent. They contain unique compounds called lignans, which play a role in balancing hormones involved in muscle maintenance. With age, hormonal signaling becomes less efficient and muscles suffer. Sesame seeds are also unusually rich in methionine, an essential amino acid that plant-based diets often lack. This makes sesame especially valuable for preserving lean tissue over time. Light roasting enhances both flavor and protein availability. Even modest amounts, used consistently, may support recovery, especially when eaten late in the day, when the body shifts into repair mode. Number 4, flaxseed, reducing inflammation, unlocking growth. Flaxseed isn't just about fiber. Its real power comes from omega-3 fatty acids, particularly ALA, which help lower chronic inflammation, a major hidden driver of age-related muscle loss. Flaxseed also improves insulin sensitivity, which is critical. Insulin isn't just about blood sugar, it acts like a key, allowing amino acids to enter muscle cells. Without it, even high-protein diets lose effectiveness. Important note, flaxseed must be ground. Whole seeds pass through the body unchanged. Add them to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies, especially with fermented foods, which improve protein absorption. Number 3, pumpkin seeds, nature's muscle multivitamin. Pumpkin seeds are one of the most protein-dense seeds on Earth. But what truly sets them apart is their mineral profile, especially zinc and magnesium. These minerals are involved in hundreds of reactions related to muscle contraction, recovery, and hormone production. Deficiencies become increasingly common with age. Pumpkin seeds also contain all 9 essential amino acids in balanced ratios, plus compounds that may reduce exercise-related soreness, making strength maintenance more sustainable. Soaking before roasting improves digestibility and unlocks enzymes that enhance absorption. Number 2, hemp seeds, protein the body recognizes. Hemp seeds are unique because their protein structure closely resembles human blood plasma proteins. That means your body doesn't struggle to interpret or use them. For aging digestive systems, this matters a lot. They offer an ideal omega-6 to omega-3 ratio, reducing inflammation while supporting recovery. Hemp seeds are also rich in leucine, the amino acid that directly triggers muscle protein synthesis. No soaking required. Sprinkle them on salads, soups, yogurt, or eat them straight. Consistency matters more than quantity. Number 1. Chia seeds, the longevity mechanism. This is where things get interesting. Chia seeds don't just provide protein. They change how protein enters your body. When mixed with liquid, chia seeds absorb up to 12 times their weight, forming a gel. This gel releases amino acids slowly over several hours, feeding muscle tissue continuously instead of all at once. This is critical after 70, when the body can't process large protein spikes efficiently. Even more surprising, research suggests protein absorption from chia may actually increase with age, the opposite of most foods. A simple chia pudding before sleep creates a steady overnight supply of amino acids, right when muscle repair is most active. The bigger picture: none of these seeds are magic, but together they reveal something important. Muscle loss after 70 isn't just about aging. It's about inflammation, absorption, hormones, and delivery. When those systems are supported, the body often responds at any age. If this video gave you a new perspective, let us know in the comments. Which seed surprised you the most? And if you want more science-backed strategies for staying strong in your later years, make sure you're subscribed. Because getting older doesn't mean getting weaker, it means playing smarter.